Do you want to jump on the 2025 recap trend that everyone's posting right now on TikTok and Instagram? I'm going to walk you through exactly how to make one of these viral videos, and it only takes a couple of minutes. You're going to need two apps for this, TikTok and CapCut. Now, I'm guessing you've probably got TikTok on your phone already, but if CapCut isn't installed yet, don't worry, because it's totally free. Just head over to the Google Play Store or the App Store, search for CapCut, and download it. The icon looks like this right here. All right, once you've got both apps on your device, go ahead and open up TikTok. We need to find the actual template first, so hit that search button and type in 2025 recap. Then press enter or search. You're going to see tons of videos pop up with different versions of this template. Here's what you need to look for. Make sure the video you choose has a button that says CapCut. Try this template somewhere on it. That's the key, because without that button, you won't be able to bring the template into CapCut. So if the first video doesn't have it, just swipe to the next one until you find it. Once you spot a template you like with that button, go ahead and tap Use Template in CapCut. A little preview window is going to pop up showing you what the template looks like. Hit Use Template again and boom, your photo library is going to open right up. Now comes the fun part. You can pick your favorite photos and videos from your camera roll, basically all the highlights from your year. The template will tell you how many photos and videos you need to select. Choose whatever memories you want to include, and once you're done selecting everything, CapCut is going to start putting it all together for you. Now here's an important thing to note. Some templates will have a button that says Add Sound in TikTok at the top of the screen. If you see this button on your template, make sure you tap on it, because this will add the original trending sound to your video, which helps your video perform better on TikTok and Instagram. After that, just tap Export, and CapCut will finish creating your video. Save that finished video to your camera roll, and you're ready to post it wherever you want. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next video.